All right, so I have the ultra concentrated Downy free and gentle eco box, which I'm going to be opening up. Right here, I want to be a little bit more friendlier to the environment. So I got the eco box because it is friendlier to the environment. So I'm gonna open it up. It's kind of tricky. So it says rip out cup holder here. All right, but let's read the instructions first before we go into it. So right here, it has a little bit of assembly instructions. Right here appears, right here shows the box, pulls it down. 2 has the cup, which we're gonna access in a second. And then 3, pour it inside of the cup. And then put the cup on the top when it's done. It says right here, it says remove panel to uncover nozzle, which the nozzle should be on this side. That's nozzle, get to that. And then it says pull the nozzle forward. Getting closer so you can see that. Nozzle forward and take out the dosing cup. Line up nozzle to white outline. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Twist the blue knob counterclockwise to dispense the liquid. Hold cup under white nozzle portion of nozzle. Be careful, liquid comes out fast. All right, so helpful hint, tip box forward to make sure your final doses are dispensed. And store when done, store cup and holder on top of box to clean cup, throw and wash. All right, so let me go ahead and do that. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out the cup holder. So I'm just going to go in right here and out cup holder. Okay, so there's supposed to be cup holder dispenser in here. I don't see a cup holder dispenser. It says rip out for cup holder. I'm not seeing a cup holder in here whatsoever. Maybe they're trying to be extra friendlier on the environment by not adding a cup holder in here. I'm not exactly sure. I don't see anything. Do you see anything? I don't see anything. No cup holder in top, so I guess that was a trick. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is, because there's no cup holder, I guess I can use a cup that I have already, I guess. But on the side, one of the things that talk about this, it says, this right here is good for 80 loads, good for having 3 of those large containers. So it saves a lot, all right, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, zoom out a little bit, and pull this down. It says remove me, dosing cup and nozzle inside. So I was looking at the top right here for the cup to be in there, but it's not. My guess is that it's going to be in here after I rip this down right here. So let's see if that theory is right. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Voila, look at that. So here's the cup that comes in here, and it sits right on top of that. All right, so it's good to know. And so this comes out right here. Pull that in line. It says twist, blue knob, and pour. So let me set this on to something so we can get a good view of this. Swing it up a little bit. All right, so this is here. It says twist blue knob to pour. Okay, so it's blue knob. Okay, I'm twisting blue knob. Not exactly sure how this works. This is kind of tricky. Let me put something on the floor so I don't get shot everywhere. So twist the blue knob. Oh, look at that. So it comes out like this. So you do have to twist the blue knob. So I'm gonna twist it like this. Get a little bit closer so you can see this. So I'm gonna take the knob, put it to the side. I'm just gonna twist it. And it comes out like that. It flows though, so be aware of that. It flows pretty fast. So this is the Downey Eco Box, free and gentle Eco Box. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.